I've been busking for about 5 years now.
About 4 years ago, there wasn't many buskers, and you get a big response. You can really make an impact in a day. It's getting quite competitive. It's a shame.
I started out because I really needed the cash.
You get the occasional one who say things like, oh, you're a scrounger. You don't want to get into argument in the street because you're trying to sort of represent yourself as an artist.
You get people coming over your personal space, interrupting you mid-song.
Cardiff without buskers now would be a bit boring, wouldn't it?
I think if you've got a talent and you want to use it to earn money, by all means do it.